Jesus, now so now Nigeria people they eat for this life. Omo, only you with one big coke and one big bread. You go fit finish am. The coke sef don't go half. Jesus. Akure. One giant bread with one giant coke. You should go and see buy extra coke.